Hello students, welcome to syllabus classes. Today we'll be solving the NBHM PhD scholarship exam which was conducted on January 2018. We'll be solving the section 1 algebra portion today. The first question that we need to solve is that we need to find out the number of elements which are conjugate to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the group S7. Now we know that for any two elements in the group S7 to be conjugate, the condition that needs to be satisfied is that two elements must have a same cyclic structure. They must have the same cyclic structure. So this is the condition for an element to be conjugate. This is the condition for conjugacy. Condition for conjugacy. So now we know that the number of R cycles in S of n, which is a group, is equal to 1 by R into n factorial by n minus R factorial. This is the formula. So now in this case in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there has to be, for conjugacy there has to be 7 cycles in S7. So therefore number of 7, since there are 7 elements, 7 cycles in S7 is equal to 1 by, here R is 7 and N is also 7. So 1 by 7 into 7 factorial by 7 minus 7, that is 0 factorial. So this is basically equal to 1. So 7 factorial by 7 is basically equal to 6 factorial. So number of elements which are conjugate, so therefore required number of conjugate elements will be equal to 6 factorial. Today we have solved algebra question which came in the NBHM 2018 paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching syllabus class videos for more solutions and content. Thank you.